My name is Rachi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rectify the date format on a data capture spreadsheet or trust books spreadsheet. Here, the dates look like they're okay, but as soon as you highlight them, you'll see here it only shows the count. So that tells you that this format is not reading as a date. For example, if it was reading as a date, it would look something like this. It look like that, and when I highlight multiple cells there, you'll see it shows not only the count, but it also sums the date. So this shows you that this is correctly formatted as a date, unlike this one. So now this one will not read on the formulas. We need to rectify this. Now instead of rectifying this one by one, you could rectify this like for June 2025. All right, no, yeah, that's for June 2025. So you could say for June 2025 and enter, and you'll see that format. Now it's a date format, but that will take time to rectify each of these one by one. So instead of rectifying each one separately, you're going to highlight the entire column or just the cells that you want to rectify. So I'll just highlight up to the last one. Copy that information onto a new sheet. So I'll create a sheet in here within this file and paste it over there. Once I've done that, I'm now going to then use the text to column functionality, which you'll find under the data menu on top. Data, under data, you'll find this text to columns. I'll select that and I'll tick on delimited, say next. Then I'll put also here as a text qualifier. Then I'll put here as delimiters. Under delimiters, I'll put other and put that forward slash because it's the one that's splitting the date from the month from the year. And as soon as I do that, you'll see this is split into three. I'll say next and finish. Now I've got the date on one column, the month separately, and the year. Now I'm going to use a formula called date. I'll say is equal to date, open bracket. I'll click on the year first. It indicates there that it needs the year first, comma, the month next, comma, and the date. Enter. And that is our date correctly formatted. You can just format that under here, saying general. I'm just going to put that as a short date. Okay, let me change that. Custom, just to show that indeed it is now in a date format. Okay, let me leave that. Just gonna drag that formula down to format everything. Then you'll see now when I highlight any multiple cells there, it shows also the sum, the count, and the average. So these are correctly formatted. I'm just going to copy all these and paste these back on the data capture file as values. Okay, let's try that. Control Shift V. Okay, as values. So that's the date value. To reflect this as a date, I'm just gonna highlight the entire column and select the date format that I want. So I'm gonna say here short date. Okay, short date shows it like that, but I can also show it as let's see the long date now. The long date is gonna be too long. Okay, I wanted to see the custom more number formats. I just want to see the custom, and I want to see this one with the date, the month, and the year. I'll say okay, and you'll see now all of them are formatted correctly. So that is how you will format or update the formatting on the date on a data capture file. Thank you very much.